Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the speed of any video in VN Video Editor. So let's get started with the video. First of all, you need to open the VN application, and then you have to bring the video onto the timeline whose speed you want to increase. After that, you need to click on the layer of that video, and then all the options will appear here. You have to scroll through them, and you'll find this option here. The speed option, which is between pick track and volume, you need to click on that. As soon as you click on it, after that, you'll see there are a lot of options here. You can also select it from here. Then there's a regular option. You need to click on it here. After that, you can adjust it here according to your preference. You can adjust the speed and other settings as you like. And once you feel it's right, just click Done here. As soon as you click Done, the video speed will increase like this. And that's how you can increase the speed of the video. So that was today's video on VN Video Editor. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.